Hello class 9. We are discussing programming question answer from our last class. So in today's class we are going to discuss at first programming question number 3. What is question number 3? Write a program to input three numbers and check whether they are equal or not. If they are unequal numbers, then display the greatest among them. Otherwise display the message all the numbers are equal. Okay. Like sample input, suppose numbers are 34, 87, 61. To which one is the greatest number? 87. 87 is printed. Same way again, the numbers are 81, 81, 81. All the three numbers are same. The output is all the numbers are equal. Okay. So see the program. Public class numbers, void main, method line, scanner, object in equal to new scanner. System out println enter first number, int a is the first number, a equal to in dot next int. System out println enter second number, int b equal to in dot next int. System out println enter third number, int c equal to in dot next int. Now check if a is equal to b and b is equal to c. That means all the three numbers are same. If a is equal to b and b is equal to c, that means a also is equal to c. So it prints according to question, all the numbers are equal. It printed system out println all the numbers are equal. So first we have check for the equality. Else, if the numbers are unequal, then else part will execute. In the else part, we have made a if statement, if else if statement to find and print the greatest number among a, b and c. The else will execute only if the three numbers are different. Then if a greater than b and a greater than c, then system out println greatest number a. Else if b greater than a and b greater than c, then system out println greatest number b. Else if c is greater than a and c is greater than b, then println greatest number c. Now let us see the output of this program. Open the BlueJ. Already program is typed. Numbers, numbers, same program. Enter first number, int a, enter second number, int b, enter third number, int c. If a equal to b and b equal to c, then print all the numbers are equal. Else if a greater than b and a greater than c, then system out println greatest number a. Else if b greater than a and b greater than c, the system out println greatest number b. Else if c greater than a and c greater than b, then system out println greatest number c. Compile the program. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. Okay. First number suppose 34. Second number suppose 99. Third number suppose 78. The greatest number 99. Alright. Once again. Now give the same number. Right click. Void main. Okay. Let's give same number. Suppose 99. B also 99. C also 99. What is output? All the numbers are equal. Alright. So this was programming question number 3. Now let us see programming question number 4. Write a program to accept a number and check whether the number is divisible by 3 as well as 5. First input a number and check whether the number is divisible by 3 as well as 5. Otherwise decide, is the number divisible by 3 and not by 5? Is the number divisible by 5 and not by 3? Is the number neither divisible by 3 nor by 5? The program displays the message accordingly. Public class name check. Main method scanner in equal to new scanner. System out println enter a number. Number is n, int n equal to in dot next int. According to question, first check for the 3 and 5. If n modulus 3 equal to 0, that means it is divisible by 0, and n modulus 5 equal to 0, then system out println divisible by 3 and 5. If it is false, then else if n is modulus 3 equal to 0, it means it is divisible by 3, and n modulus 5 is not equal to 0. See, not by 5, not equal to 0. That means it is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 5. The system of println divisible by 3 but not by 5. Else if n modulus 5 means divisible by 5 but not by 3 and n modulus 3 is not equal to 0, then system of println divisible by 5 but not by 3. Else last one is the number neither divisible by 3 nor by 5. The else system of println neither divisible by 3 nor by 5. So this is question number 4. Let us see the output. Open the program, check, compile, no syntax error, close, check, void main, okay. Suppose the number is 15. Let's say 15 is divisible by 3 also and 5 also. Let us see the output. Yes, divisible by 3 and 5. Now again check, void main, okay. Now this time I have given 3. 3 is divisible by 3. 9. So 9 is divisible by 3 but not by 5. 3 is divisible by 3 but not by 5. Again, next number, input, suppose 25. The 25 is divisible by 5 but not by 3. Now input some other number. Suppose 28. The 28 neither divisible by 3 nor by 5. So this was question number 4. Okay. Now one more program. Let us see question number 5. Question number 5 is write a program to input the year. Write a program to input the year. The program checks and displays whether it is a leap year, a century leap year but not a leap year. Like sample input, year 2000. It is century leap year. It is century also and leap year also. So let us do public class year. Scanner in equal to new scanner system.in. System.println enters the year to check. Int yr equal to in.nextInt. If yr modulus 4 equal to 0 and yr modulus 100 not equal to 0, means year is divisible by 4 but it is not divisible by 100, then it is a leap year. Else if year is divisible by 400, year modulus 400, if year is divisible by 400, the system of println it is a century leap year. Else if year is divisible by only 100, then it is century year but not a leap year. It is only century year, but if it is divisible by 100, it is a century year but not a leap year. So let us see. Same program, enter the year, int yr equal to in.nextInt. If yr divisible by 4 and yr not divisible by 100, then it is a leap year. Else if yr modulus 400 equal to 0, then it is a century leap year. Else if yr modulus 100 equal to 0, then it is a century year but not a leap year. Compile. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. Okay. Suppose 2020, the current year. We know it is a leap year. Yes, it is a leap year. Okay. Now, year 2000. It is a century leap year. The program is correct. So this is where we can check the output of the program. So write all these 3 programs in your copy and practice. Thank you.